Hi, this is Gail from Horizon Hill Crafts. Please join me in a walkthrough of a black and white junk journal I created. I used images from various graphic artists in this one. I will list them all below in the video description. This journal will be up for sale in my Etsy shop shortly. And let's take a walkthrough of this. It's a beautiful, elegant, black and white journal. It's quite chunky. It's one signature. It's a gorgeous topper, all handmade with fabrics and laces and blings, tied with a double white piece of cotton ribbon. Inside we have our attitude toward life determines life's attitude toward us. Lovely saying. Each page edging has been done differently. Alright, and as we go through the journal pages, we have 2 pockets on this page and some tags and journaling cards. We have journaling card and a couple of tags. Lots of journaling spaces and pages. A little bit of bling up on the top corner there. A piece of the printed vellum. I took an image, a collage page from one of the graphic artists that I used in this journal and printed it on vellum. It came out beautifully. Another page for journaling. Little teeny square button at the top of that page. I made a fabric flip with a little black and white dingly dangly. Has a little front door charm with a miniature key. There you go. A ticket, piece of lace, wishes, little word banner, and it's been decorated. The top of the fabric flip's been decorated. Butterflies, little crystal hearts. And you flip up a piece of fabric, and there's some white pages to journal on. White paper doily. A larger pocket with some tags and journaling cards. We have a lady, butterflies. I made this large tag, and the front of this is contact paper. Thought that was really cool, and I happened to find some black and white contact paper, so I grabbed it. Alright, and then there's a large crystal heart on the bottom. Scalloped edge page. A corner tuck on the side of the next page with some lace. Journal cards. Little marriage license. A clock. Travel tag. Another journal page. A beautiful fabric and lace and bling belly band. And I made this little portfolio. Got a little bit of bling on the corners, which opens up and has little slots that have tickets and tags and journal cards and all kinds of little goodies in there. Just tuck that in there. And this journaling page has a row of white beads We have some tissue paper. We have a little paper clock. More journaling pages. Corner's been decorated. A little flower and a number. This journal page has a lace edge to it. A piece of old school notebook paper. This is a fold down journal spot. There's a little paper flower on it. Another page with a little word and a tiny little button. Journal page with another piece of bling. This is some Tim Holtz tissue paper, printed tissue paper. Thought that went perfect with this journal. Another page with a little black dot bling in the corner. The other side of the clock. Here is another pocket. This is a pocket. Large tag. Blank on the back for writing. Numbers on the top for the tab. Slides into the top of that page. The other side. Another journal page with another piece of bling on it. More journaling pages. Here's another large hidden pocket with a large journal card. Blank on the back. The other side of the clock. This is a flat pen that I made. There's a paper clip on the back of it that you can use to write. Just take there's a little red tip on the end of the pen. You just slide that off and then you can start writing. The other side of the tissue paper. Another little banner at the top with crystal heart. Scalloped. Not scalloped, but rough edge pages. This is a beautiful fabric double-sided paper clip. Just slides over the top. It's the other side. It's gorgeous. Very, very pretty workmanship. I will also link that artist's shop in the description box. She makes beautiful items. Here, oh, I had a little envelope. Little envelope, empty inside. Take that back. 2 tags inside. Tucked up underneath the paper clip. Public library card tucked up underneath the paper clip. Then we have the other side of that old lined paper. A little fabric corner tuck, all decorated. And inside that corner tuck are 2 journal cards. And I made this corner tuck and decorated it with little pieces of fabric. And inside this corner tuck, you can write on the back too, we have a large journal card. We have an envelope. Inside the envelope are more journal cards. Miniature postcard. And an old calendar. Tuck that in there. We have another library card. Butterfly journal card. Beehive. journal card. Page has lace edgings. Then we have a top corner tuck that has 2 journal cards in it. More journaling pages, the other side of a clock. Tissue paper. And I made this cute flip up, flip down journal tag pouch, pocket, whatever you want to call it. Has a magnetic closure, and you open it up, and inside there's a pocket down the bottom. There's a beautiful fabric tag and 2 other tags tucked inside. You can journal here if you'd like to, and has a magnetic closure. The other side of that page, another journal page. This is a double pocket, double stacked pocket. 2 journal cards on the bottom. Inside the top pocket, I made this little mini journal with lace edgings, top and the side. Inside are blank pages to write. And a little bit of bling on the bottom. Okay, the doily. Then we have a top tuck here that has some journaling cards. And they're just tucked up inside. More journaling space. The other side of the tissue paper. More journaling pages. And then we have this slanted corner tuck. And little decoration at the top. You and me. We have a postcard. Bee journal card, a floral journal card, and we have another beautiful black and white fabric tag. Absolutely gorgeous. And then on the back cover, we have this little pocket envelope. See if I can get this closer. Little pocket envelope. You can tuck in back. You can tuck inside. And we have, whoops, sorry about that. 2 little tags there. We have a journal card, another journal card that are tucked in the back here. And then we have another large tag that was made covered with contact paper. And I've used some washi tape. The cover is double-sided, and it has washi tape, little butterfly, black and white washi tape on the top and bottom edge. Held together, like I said, with this white cotton ribbon with some eyelets. That's the back cover. Pamphlet stitch. And I didn't show you the charms. We have charms in the middle. I use antique linen thread. It's not wax. It's antique linen thread that's on a spool. I find this stuff is beautiful to work with. And then we have charms with beads. Oh my goodness, fingers work. We have beads and a charm. And then we have the other string is a bicycle charm and some more beads. And there we have it. She's big, she's beautiful, she's elegant, and I hope you enjoyed this video and this walkthrough with me. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And like I said, this will be listed for sale in my Etsy shop soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day.